Hello, I have a thrift haul from the beach. I wanted to first show this awesome shirt Mr. Retros got at Wally World. Look at this.
Wolfie.
Little Wolfie. Look at this.
Ladies.
It's brand new. It's brand new. Stand still. It's brand new in their line of excellent shirts. But he selected this beauty. So I turned the camera over to him. He wanted to make sure everybody saw it, was able to enjoy that. And I left a couple of things at the beach, but I was going to show you. I got this cool thing at the Goodwill in Aberdeen. Let me see. It's a match holder. And Holt Howard is, I got the thing here. See, I thought his coat, he's smoking a cigarette. Bad mousy. And he's got the cane. He's got his all-important little cane. And I thought the finish was screwed up on his jacket. But I thought, oh, well, I want it anyway. But I looked it up, and that's for scratching matches on. That's why it's rough. And see, there's his back. And there's his mark. $3.99 at the Goodwill. So I was very excited. I keep him, I have a little match Smoky Ania display in the powder room at the beach. And so I also got, let me show the other. Mr. Retro scored some awesome Avon decanters, vintage, and this is his Breaker 19.
Beers.
Yes, sea beer.
Clown band.
Aftershave. So we have this down there. This is the shelf down in
There's some other cool ones.
Yeah, I have the other ones here.
Oh.
So, yay.
Breaker.
Breaker. Mr. Retros on the 19er. So that was my major score, was this critter here. I love him. Now I'm looking for salt pepper shakers, but that's another story. But I'm happy with just this. So that's that one. Let me turn this baby off. And you might want to check out my screensaver. That's how much I love him. Let's see. Wait. There. You can see it. Yeah. Nice, huh? Yeah. Match mouse. So we went to the Fish Shack flea market. I only got these two things. This was $1. No idea what this is. It's an impeller or a prop.
It's either an impeller or a prop.
But I thought it would make a neat kind of a display item. I like it. Wouldn't want to get your finger in there. So I just put him like this in the beach glass. See, I found that on the river.
Right.
I found this on the river too.
Beach after a storm.
Yeah. Well, there was a storm there the other day. Oh, then he had this cool thing. I'm really loving these handmade little ceramic pot things. I have one on my stove, and I'm going to use this one to put my avocados in. Let's see, it's signed. I don't think this was turned on a wheel. I think this was done by hand, like a coil pot. So that makes it extra nice. And it's raku firing. It looks like raku. So I love that. $1 and $1. Oh, and look at the fancy glaze inside.
Yeah.
Very detailed. And this I got at the Goodwill too. Same place where I got Mousy match holder. I just thought I'd try it here. This needs to be. I kind of like wood stuff right now, obvi. This was originally from Ross, $35. I got it for $1.99. So I think, that's okay. I either use it here or at the beach. I kind of like it. It's pretty. And I got this at Thrift City, 30% off. It needs washing really bad. Really, really bad. So it was $4.29 less 30%, whatever that is. But it's just a little Harajuku purse, which I like these because they're really lightweight. And it's got all the little ladies on it. This pattern. This one looks like Barbie. I don't know what this says. Harajuku lovers. Or loves. Not sure. It's like Gwen Stefani thing. See, Harajuku lovers. So, from back in the day. I like those purses. Then I got this. It's a really lightweight knit. Okay, very thin. Infinity scarf. $1.99 less 30, but it's from the Gap. So that's pretty good. I gotta wash that one too. Then Mr. Retro's got these awesome things.
Yeah, I kind of went wild on them.
Yes, he went hog wild. 30% off. Whoa.
Yeah.
Everything I got at Thrift City came to $12.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Unbelievable.
think we'll be okay. But he likes to use the cologne in these.
Well, that's
what is
aftershave.
this?
I don't know.
It's a weather vane.
oh, see, it
does it
has
have
the
a
weather
weather vane
vanes
in there?
in there.
Oh, it does. Weird.
It's
Oh,
top of a barn.
very nice. See, country. Farmhouse. Farmhouse. You know, I know how fond you are of that. And this is this an Avon one? This one's
Cologne.
This is cologne.
Yeah.
Deep Woods. Yes, this is Avon, but this is cologne.
Which is
Better
hard
than
to get at the
yeah.
thrift store.
Yeah, it is. It's hard to find this at the thrift store, and it's almost full. So, 30% off at $279. Oh, this one's extra good. This is right up his alley. Avon Power Drill. Look at that. Does this have dates on any of it? I don't see a lot of info. No. The CB one was really nice. That's a keeper for sure. But this one's neat too. Yeah, there's no info. Let's see.
Power drill.
Thing. Bzz, bzz, Mr. Retros. But is it got the decal? It's got
it's
it's
cool.
got stuff in it. It's here how to assemble.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You didn't even have to read that.
Yeah, I didn't. That's how good I am at tools. So there we go. And then I just got this old Uki pan for like $2. I'm gonna melt wax in it. I'm gonna do one of those big sand and fog type candles. So I just needed a crummy pan to melt my wax. So that was it. $2. Oh, this is the other stuff I got at the Goodwill. No, Mr. Retro's got this banding.
Yeah, sometimes you need it.
Yeah, it's that wood banding stuff.
Veneer stuff, yeah.
Yeah,
Edging.
edging.
For my edges.
For your edges. Keep your edges nice, mister. And then this giant bag of IKEA tea lights, which he will use.
Corner of the market on
Yeah,
tea lights.
he is. He doesn't want anybody else to have them. It's like, what are you doing with those? $5 for this bag. Yeah, the IKEA ones are okay. So that was neat on that. Then we went to Anchor. I'll show you this stuff I got. What's this? Oh wait, no, this was from Flea Market Finds. I got this for $1. They had all these specimen rocks and things. This is just a quartz points for $1. I thought it was pretty good. Just as good as that one I paid $14 for the other day. And and then I got this at Anchor. It's just an agate. It's pronounced agate, not agate.
Agate. It's an agate.
I've been hearing people on YouTube call this an agate.
From out of town.
Yeah, way out of town, I guess. So, no, it's an agate slice.
Polish.
But it looks like a moss agate, see? See, there's moss in there.
Oh.
Yeah, for $1.
That's cool.
Yeah, that was from Anchor. And then we got this neat thing. I love stuff like this.
That works.
Yeah.
Just shows your voltage. You plug it into an outlet.
Yeah.
It's to 120. If it varies,
That's
then I'll
cool.
let you know.
I think I'm going to put it over by my hi-fi.
Yeah, it's cool.
Looks like a VU meter. But this was $4. But it's really snazzy. Look at that thing goes.
Oh, it does. Plug it in and
Nice.
it'll show you how much voltage is coming out of your outlet.
Okay. There we go on that. And then they had these. I have one down at the beach that I left there. I should have taken a picture of it, darn it. Some guy down there makes these out of wood he gets from his own property and then makes these boxes and donates them to this thrift store because it funds the church and the food bank there. So that's, it's nice. It's got, it's so new it has the wax still on it. But
It puts wax on
look at this.
it. It's all wood.
Look
There's
at
no
how he-
screws or
No
nails in
screws.
it. All
This
wood
is the
pegs.
hinge. And this one was $16.99. Gee.
All wood.
Oh, it was hard not to take them all,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
got
a bunch
two.
of them.
But I love them. Look at this. And then this is the side. See, there's the handle. There's moss on there, which I love. And look how he dovetailed this.
Yeah. The workmanship's really cool.
He dovetailed these. Oh, yeah, and here too. Here's how he did the hinge. And he does this puzzle thing, which is
Yeah.
really unique. It's almost like tramp art.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
like
even
really,
better,
it's better than
almost.
tramp art. And then it has little footies that look like puzzle pieces. Which is just awesome.
It is like.
And he had all different kinds of wood. I guess he has all different kinds of trees and
Yeah, he has
things
some other
on his
cool
properties.
ones
But see,
there.
there's wax on it. I just need to, ooh, I love it. Yeah. He had another one that he had roughed up with a chainsaw. That was
That
neat.
was
It
cool.
really neat.
I almost got that one.
Yeah. But this,
If I
nice.
see it again,
Yeah.
who knows?
Go back down next week and take another look. So that was my story on that. I really like that. And then I had Marshall's. What did I get down there? Oh, I had to get a new shower curtain. It's nothing. It's just a white microfiber polyester shower curtain for at the beach because the vinyl one was making spots on the wall. So I got these off the clearance pile. See, I'm really into this wood thing. And these were $8 for 4 of them. But, you know, they're nice for serving off of or using. Yeah. Can't put them in the dishwasher. So that's, I really like them. They're pretty. Very nice. And then this, you can see, and that's all over YouTube. I didn't think I'd actually find one up here. They didn't have, I want 2 of the highballs with the skeleton hands on them, but they had the goblet, which I'm not going to use as a goblet. This is a knockoff of the Pottery Barn ones from last year. They did a whole series of these. They were awesome. They were like carrying chip buckets. And they have another one where it's just this glass with a hand, like the dollar store one, only it's metal holding it. So I'm looking for 2 of those. They might get them in, I don't know. There's the $7.99. But you can put nuts in there. So, if you can find them. So, that's what I got, I think. That is it. So, goodbye from me and Mousy.
And Wolfie.
And Wolfie. Adios.